Hello, everybody. I'm Kristy with Kristy's Craft Room. Welcome to my craft room. This is my husband, Tim, over here on the side. Hello. Don't fall. We need you in here. If you're new here, we like to have fun. We like to get a little silly. We like to do a little happy dance, a little shaking and moving and all the things, okay? We're not good dancers. I never said we're good dancers. We just dance, okay? That's just what we do. I am going to attempt. Okay, that's the key word, attempt. All right, so disclaimer, this may or may not work out. This is something that I had envisioned in my head when I saw these cute things. Okay, I saw these at Dollar Tree, okay? And I got an idea in my head. What I'm using though is I have 3. I think I'll only need 2, but I have 3. I have a pair of these are called tin snips. I have a little pair of needle nose pliers. I have some E6000. I'm going to use some hot glue. I have a marker. And I have a tape measure that will kind of wrap around
I know that's what
metal. I have these little rusty stars. I may use some of those for the top, to top it off, okay? I have a sign base here. I got this on clearance at Hobby Lobbies. We are going to use 2 pieces of this. We're going to piece it together. We're going to leave this wood outer edge, and we are going to, I'm just going to kind of find that seam and make a mark with my fingernail. If you don't have fingernails, anything pointy like a barbecue skewer or something like that will kind of help. See how we were able to match it up so you don't even realize it's 2 pieces. So we are going to, I'm just gonna go with my old-fashioned Mod Podge way to get my Mod Podge on there quickly. And we're gonna put our paper on and we're gonna dry it. So if nothing else, if everything else fails, our sign base is stinking adorable, okay? Can you just give me that much? I mean, just give me some hearts, show me some love now, because I don't know how the rest is gonna turn out. All right, so we're gonna bring in these little Christmas tree rings from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna cut a little bit up at an angle. Not a real crazy sharp angle, just a bit of an angle. So see how we got them cut at an angle? All right, so that's one. We are going to, a little less than ½ inch, about the width of, like, you know, the end of your needle nose pliers there. We are just gonna fold our ends in. So what we're doing is I'm just kind of flattening this, and then I'm putting it on there to make sure that it'll be flat. You want a flat surface to attach to your board, okay? Remember, we have these flat edges, okay? We're gonna add a little bit of E6000 because that's what's gonna hold it for the long run. We put the E6000 on first. We're gonna add some hot glue so it holds it in place right now until the E6000 sets.
Donna? Yeah. Oh yeah. 2.
So cute. The bottom one I cut at 10 inches. Look at y'all. 10 inches, 9 inches, 8 inches, 7 inches, 6 inches, and then I used my little mason jar to kind of like roll them out to make them a little bit more curvy than they were, and then I used my needle nose pliers to pinch the ends over so I'd have a surface to glue, and I only a little less than ½ inch folded over. But look how cute. So now we need to make it, like, we need to embellish it. I'm just gonna go with my Waverly. Just kind of blotch it on there. This is night job.
Dancing.
Dancing live on Facebook.
I'm a live dancer. That's what I do. I don't make much money at it, but
make sure you're turning your brush so they're not like all uniform, okay? You want to kind of keep turning your brush. Let's bring our raffia back. Made a little bow. Got just regular raffia and a little bit of red raffia, and you could add some like ribbon, and you could do all kinds of different things. We'll end up trimming this crazy raffia down. You gotta tame your raffia. Just put a little Jenga block there just to kind of bring it up a little bit so it doesn't kind of get lost on the base of the board, okay? And you're never gonna see it because we're gonna have our star over top of it too. We're gonna glue our star on. Hold that for a second. Look how cute it's looking, guys. Now we need to trim up our crazy wild raffia. All right, our little wood pieces, they come on a little roll like this. All right, so I'm using 3. They're kind of skinny. If they were the real plump, thick ones, you might only want to use 2.
Brittany Lynn Haas.
There it is, y'all. I'm gonna hold this up just because we talked about the texting a lot and I never showed you guys. If you want to know when we go live, text 810-374-0342. Just text hello to this phone number and we will send a text message when we go live and you'll know when we go live. And sometimes we send like extra coupon codes just for the texting group, or you get early notice of things. You get to know what's going on a little bit sooner sometimes. It's not too late to sprinkle and spread this out to your friends if you haven't yet. And we will see you guys really, really soon. Take care. Love you. Have a safe